Oh god! But why are they all coming?
I don't
It
know
should
why
be an
are they.
Olympic sport.
Wait,
Oh,
where's my
damn.
knife gone? Come here, quickly, come on.
No! You're gonna kill me!
I genuinely. Come here, you fecker. Oh yes, Tom. Just dropped that one. Fair play.
I'm using my fist now. Hey!
Go to this place.
Yeah, let's go to that bear thing.
Oh god, Tom, I just see you shoot that at the sky.
Oh, we got another one, Gabe. It's behind you.
Oh, see it. Come on, Tom, use your fist on this bad boy. That sounds really dodgy.
Come on then, you furry fuck.
I just booted it in the leg.
Yeah, a black one.
Just kicking it.
Sorry, Tom.
Yeah! Come here, you fecker. Fuck you, laddie! What? Oh my god. Have that, you fuck. I just lob one right in his ass, Dan. Oh, Dan.
I've got this fucker.
Whoa!
Wrong person,
I got beat.
Wrong person.
That ball just came out of nowhere and beat the shit out of me, man. Tom, welcome to Boar Adventures.
Well, I can see. Bloody hell!
He's not dead, Christ. Kill it. Whoa! He just a duke and I'll have yours. Damn, yours is better.
Nah.
Who's this down
Is
here?
there-
Oh,
is
what's
anyone
this fella down?
Oh, enemy's a bastard.
Tomahawk shot. Oh, pig. Oh my life. Whoa! He's getting ragdolled so bad.
Let me punch him.
No, we're gonna go in here into the shop.
Crazy.
Sup, boys? Alright, lads.
Got my card.
It's ruined his store and didn't even fucking do anything.
Oh, I just shot a woman in the breast.
Whoa! I did not realise you could do that with them lamps there. Oh, sorry.
I said, I'm good, how about you? And she said, yeah, I'm good, thanks.
Oh wow,
That was it.
Such conversation skills.
Oh no, yeah.
Dan, you're just sliding about the place. Yes, Dan. Logic.
Oh, Gabe, I remember staying in these, and bears come at you.
Is that really what it's called?
You just pop
Bear
up.
Claw Camp.
Oh god, there's a bear.
Oh, I can...
There's a bear.
Oh!
Oh, no, I can hear it.
Dan behind you! Dan behind you! Dan!
Oh!
I just... Oh, what? No, die. Oh, yes! What? I killed it with a dynamite to the face.
Oh, you got two coming over the hill, right here.
What?
Look behind you,
Oh, Tom, shit. Knife him. What? Yes, I killed him with a knife, yes. I'm loving it.
Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
Bears, you don't scare me. Bear!
Where?
On top, stab him.
You just tag team
I'm
that
sorry.
shit, man. Oh.
Yeah.
I slashed his throat by accident.
Oh, what? I just pushed him and he fell. Oh, that slit his neck. There we go.
Gabe, I'm gonna knock you out and you're gonna die.
No, I ain't being knocked out today, lad. Come on, fight me. Like a man. Not like you woman self. There we go. You're gonna die. Yes, there you... Oh, you bitch. Tom's waiting for us, like... Oh, no! Oh! Come on, come down. Shit. I'll make you go down. No. No! Oh, yes, loving leg. Yes!
No!
Yeah.
No!
Yo, you survived as well. Fair play to ya. Tom's started on me now. Don't mix with. Oh, what? No! Oh my god! Yes, loving it. I'm loving it. Get your horses.
I made it!
Whoa.
Oh, damn!
He just rolled through the fire. Okay, get on your horse.
Freeway bomb. Oh,
Dan, you.
fun.
Whoa. No, no, no.
No, no.
Oh, get ow. Don't do that.
Jump into the waterfall now.
Oh, I've got no. Daddy's right in my arm, you bit.
Oh.
Punish.
Me and Dan used to have the most.
okay.
Oh, get jumped, son. Right, Tom. The aim of the game is to knock each other into the water. All right.
Damn!
Whoa.
Cougars don't mess around.
Whoa, whoa, no, what? No, I just ninja'd that one and it went into the fucking water. Oh, loving it. Yes, love it. That one just fell in the water as well. Damn, loving it.
Oh, I slipped off. He says I'm in a wetter place.
Nice.
Oh,
yes, I'm
jump
loving it.
with my horse.
Did they not swim back in, like, whatever this was?
Clearly not. Right, okay, let me establish the rules of fisticuffs. Okay, but you just gotta knock each other. I ain't going down first, Tom. I ain't going down first.
No, I am
Whoa,
not.
I'm alive
not
still. I
me.
was
You are
alive
not killing
still then. I was alive still.
He's alive.
Dan survived that one. Dan's a cougar trying to get to you. Oh, two actually.
There's two.
Okay, Dan.
There you
Go.
are. 3,
Go.
2, 1. Right, uppercut to the jaw, that was.
Oh, come
No,
on,
I'm
come
gonna-
on. Yes! Get out of here!
No!
Oh, what? Come on. Get down. Go down. You are going down. No, yes.
Oh, I'm dead again.
Yes.
I'm dead. Oh,
Yes. Right, lads. Whoa!
what did you say?
Oh my god, a bear just killed me.
Oh, your mother truckers go.